271 species in genus Erythroxylum. Erythroxylum, a deep dive into a controversial genus. As a researcher with a keen interest in botany and ethnobotany, I've always been fascinated by the complex relationship between humans and plants. One genus that exemplifies this intricate connection is Erythroxylum, a group of tropical flowering plants belonging to the family Erythroxylaceae. While most people associate this genus with cocaine, its story goes far beyond its notoriety as a source of illicit drugs. Join me as we explore the diverse world of Erythroxylum, delving into its taxonomy, distribution, traditional uses, and the controversies surrounding it. A diverse genus with a controversial reputation. The genus Erythroxylum comprises approximately 271 species of trees and shrubs, primarily found in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. South America and Madagascar are considered the centers of diversity for this genus. While Erythroxylum coca and Erythroxylum novogranadens are infamous for their cocaine content, the majority of Erythroxylum species do not contain significant amounts of this alkaloid. In fact, many species have been traditionally used for medicinal and cultural purposes by indigenous communities for centuries. Traditional uses and cultural significance. Long before its association with recreational drug use, Erythroxylum played an essential role in the lives of many indigenous cultures. The leaves of Erythroxylum coca, for instance, have been chewed and brewed for their stimulant and medicinal properties by indigenous communities in the Andes for thousands of years. Coca leaves are believed to alleviate altitude sickness, suppress hunger, and provide energy. They also hold cultural and religious significance in Andean traditions. Other Erythroxylum species have been used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, including fever, pain, and respiratory problems. Some species are also used for timber, fuelwood, and as a source of dyes. The cocaine controversy. The discovery of cocaine in the mid-19th century marked a turning point in the history of Erythroxylum. Initially hailed for its medicinal properties, cocaine soon became a popular recreational drug, leading to widespread abuse and addiction. The illicit cocaine trade has had devastating social and economic consequences, particularly in South America, where coca cultivation and cocaine production are often associated with violence, poverty, and environmental degradation. The controversy surrounding cocaine has overshadowed the traditional uses and cultural significance of Erythroxylum. It's important to remember that the plant itself is not inherently harmful. It's the misuse and overexploitation of certain species that have led to the negative consequences we see today. A closer look at species list. Erythroxylum is a diverse genus with a wide range of morphological and phytochemical characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The future of Erythroxylum. The genus Erythroxylum stands at a crossroads. On the one hand, it faces the challenges associated with the illicit cocaine trade and its devastating consequences. On the other hand, there is growing interest in the potential of Erythroxylum species for medicinal and other beneficial uses. Researchers are exploring the potential of Erythroxylum species as sources of new pharmaceuticals, biopesticides, and other valuable compounds. There is also a renewed interest in the traditional uses of Erythroxylum and the potential for sustainable cultivation and utilization of these plants. As we move forward, it is crucial to strike a balance between addressing the challenges associated with cocaine and recognizing the potential benefits of Erythroxylum. By understanding the complex history and diverse uses of this genus, we can work towards a future where Erythroxylum is valued for its contributions to human well-being, rather than solely for its association with illicit drugs.